It is a chart where activities of more than subject, worker or equipment, are recorded on a common timescale to show their interrelationship. Multiple activity chart is made to study idle time of the man and machines, determine number of machines handled by one operator, determine number of operators required in teamwork to perform the given job. Construction of the chart. A multiple activity chart consists of a series of bars, columns, placed against a common timescale. Each subject is allocated one bar and the activities related to the subjects are represented in this bar. The columns are placed against a common timescale which starts at 0 and ends at cycle time of the job. The task to be recorded is broken into small. Two symbols are used in the chart, one representing working and other idle. Working is represented by hatched column and idle id represented by blank as shown in Fig. Multiple activity chart is extremely useful in organizing teams of operatives on mass production work. This is also used in maintenance. It is used to determine the number of machines which an operator can handle. It is useful in reducing idle time of machines and operators, combine or eliminate some of the operations. It helps to explore ways to increase utilization of human and machines. A summary activity or hammock activity groups, related activities in a schedule over a segment of the project's life. By using hammock activities, the summarization process for the project is simplified by minimizing the total number of activities to be displayed. Top management to see an overview of the project without being overwhelmed by deep. Estimated sales of jeans in Indonesia 2019 and projected market share. Estimated sales of jeans in Indonesia 2019 and projected. The bar chart shows the predicted sales of jeans in thousands of pairs for two brands in Indonesia, Old Blue Co. and Levi's for 2019, and the pie chart shows the projected market share of jeans brand. The most striking feature is that sales will increase for both brand. It's anticipated that sales of Levi's will start at 450,000 pairs in January, decreasing by 200,000 pairs following month with gradual recovery over the subsequent 4 months, reaching 400,000 pairs in June. Those of Levi's are predicted to be stable until August, peaking up to 600,000 pairs in September and October. Sales of Levi's will reach a peak of 900,000 in December. For those of Old Blue Co., is forecasted a gradual increase with the largest sale of 600,000 pairs in December. At the beginning of the next year, those of Old Blue Co. will stand at 150,000 pairs, falling back to 100,000 pairs in February, rising steadily to 250,000 in June. In subsequent months, sales will reach 450,000 pairs, increasing. How to make an Excel bar chart. Bar chart. Bar charts are useful for presenting data comparisons in one or more data series. For example, the sales figures for each month of the year, or sales for year 1 and year 2 in several cities. The data on the bar chart is presented in the form of horizontal rectangles, the length of which corresponds to the respective value. When to use bar charts. Use a bar chart if chart data has negative or zero values, Has a long category label, axis. In the example below, long labels are easier to read on a bar chart, compared to a column chart. Steps to make a bar chart. 1. Select the data range for which the bar chart will be generated. 2. On the Insert tab, Charts group, click Bar Shape. Note: for Excel 2019 and Microsoft 365, click on Column or Bar. 3. There are several bar chart models. For this tutorial, select 2D bar, clustered bar. 4. The diagram will be shown as shown below. Give the chart a title by clicking Chart Title and typing a new title. Note: for Excel 2007 and 2010, display the chart title box by, in Chart Tools, Layout, Labels, click Chart Titles and select Above Chart. How to change diagrams quickly. The easiest and fastest way to change the appearance of a diagram is to use the features provided by Excel, namely Chart Styles, Quick Layout, and Change Colors. These features can be accessed at Excel 2013, 2016, 2019, Microsoft 365. Select in the Design tab. Tip: Chart styles and colors can also be accessed on the top right side of the chart, by clicking on the brush image icon. Excel 2007 and 2010. Select Chart Styles and Layout on the Design tab. Change the color by changing the colors on the Page Layout tab. An example of a bar chart view by simply selecting different chart styles, quick layout, and colors. Change the size of the bar chart area. How? Click the bar chart and then drag and slide the sizing handle to increase or decrease the size of the chart area. The chart size can also be adjusted in the Format tab, Size section, by entering numbers in the height and width boxes of the diagram. Adjusting bar spacing. How? 1. Right-click a data series and select Format Data Series. 2. In the Series options, in the Series Overlap, click and drag the slider to the left or fill in the percentage box, for example -20%. Increase stem size. 1. Right-click a data series and select Format Data Series. 2. In the Series options, in the Gap Width section, click and drag the slider to the left or fill in the percentage box with a smaller value, for example, to 60%. Displaying data labels in bar charts. 1. For users. Excel 2013, 2016, 2019, Microsoft 365. Click the plus icon next to the chart and check the data labels box. Click the arrow next to it and select the inside end position. 2. Excel 2007 and 2010. In Chart Tools, Layout, Labels, click Data Labels and select Inside End. To make it easier to read, change the label data color to white. Click on the red label of the first series. On Home. Make horizontal axis labels vertical. 1. Sometimes we need to rotate the axis labels to be vertical so they don't stick together. For that, right-click the horizontal axis and select Format Axis. 2. Click the Size and Properties icon. In the text direction box, select Rotate All Text 270 degrees. 3. Shown in the picture, the writing is cut off. To fix this, reduce the size of the bar chart, data series. 4. Finally, changing the bar chart shape. Types of bar chart models. There are several bar chart models, namely, clustered bar, stacked bar, and 100% stacked bar in 2D and 3D forms. In Excel 2007 and 2010, there are also cylinder, cone, and pyramid bar charts in horizontal form. However, in Excel 2013, 2016, 2019, and Microsoft 300. How to change the shape of a bar chart. For example, let's say we want to change the diagram from a clustered bar to a stacked bar, or from 2D to 3D. Steps. 1. Click the bar chart that you want to resize. 2. On the Design tab, select Change Chart Type. 3. Change Chart Type. Select the new bar chart shape from